The retention socket was first designed to provide a reusable foundation for street furniture and hardware in the event of an impact. When an asset is impacted in a retention socket, the socket allows quick and simple replacement without the need for any civil-related work. Retention sockets come in a variety of different depths from 300mm to 900mm deep, and diameters from 48 to 406mm. The impact shown in this video is a worst-case scenario using the NAL shallow depth foundation at just 300mm deep with an RS115 socket, which will house a 115mm diameter pole. The solution was designed to allow street lighting engineers to plant columns shallow whenever a depth issue was encountered, and as you can see in this demonstration, the root of the column is only 220mm deep into the retention socket, eliminating any depth issues. To install a column into the retention socket, first remove the pedestrian plug along with the side chamber cover to allow access to the two locking bolts. With the suitable post or hardware lowered into place, the bolts are then securely tightened to secure the column and to set its orientation. The pedestrian plug that was removed to allow the column installation can be conveniently stored in the side chamber for later use. The side chamber is then securely fastened down. When the column is impacted, the retention socket takes all of the force of the impact and doesn't disperse the force into the surrounding concrete, providing a reusable foundation. In the event of an impact, the column is released from the locking bolts, which allows the column to be rotated, so in the event of it being knocked over the side chamber or into a busy lane, you would be able to rotate the column in the direction needed. To remove the column, remove the side chamber cover and loosen the locking bolts to allow the column to be lifted out of the retention socket. With the simple use of a bar or available extraction tool, the column is safely removed from the retention socket without the need for any costly civil work. If the damaged column is not being replaced in the same visit, the socket can be made safe for the public by installing the pedestrian plug and then securing the side chamber cover.